Question number 1, subsection 1, exercise 5.2. We are going to find equation of a parabola. Given focus 4, 0, directrix x is equal to -4. As I see these two conditions, let me mark it in the diagram. Focus 4, 0 we have marked. Directrix will come the left side. If focus is in the right, directrix will be in the left. So x is equal to -4 we have drawn. How will you draw the curve? The curve will be towards the focus. The curve will be towards the focus. Can I draw like this or like this or like this? No. The curve should not cut directrix. The curve is towards the focus. Remember to draw the diagram given focus and directrix. Now this I compare with a, 0. So vertex naturally is in between focus and directrix. Focus tells me +4, directrix tells me -4. So this point I will say -4, 0. Where is the vertex? In between. That is 0, 0. So we will say vertex equal to 0, 0 given focus is 4, 0 and directrix is x is equal to -4. We have identified vertex is 0, 0 and the parabola opens right. What is the equation when it opens right? It is y minus k the whole square equals 4a into x minus h. In this case, h, k equal to 0, 0 and focus value will be a, 0. That is a value they have given 4, 0 comparing a is equal to 4. So in this equation, in the place of h and k, put 0, 0, a value put 4. So as I substitute, it is y square is equal to 4 into 4 into x, or I will say y square equals to 16x, and that is the equation of the parabola. As I read the two conditions, try to plot it. 4, 0 and directrix x is equal to -4. We know the curve will go towards the focus and it will be away from the directrix. So directrix is here, curve must go that way. So I am able to find out it opens right. And vertex is in the middle of focus and directrix. So directrix x is equal to -4 tells me this is -4, 0. The middle value is 0, 0. So these two I know. I can immediately write the equation of the parabola. So y square equal to 16x is the equation of the parabola, where you identify a comparing with the focus. Focus is a, 0 and a value is 4. Second subsection, symmetric about y-axis. So when I draw the diagram, symmetric about y-axis tells me it will be either upward or downward. But here it is given opens downward. So I will draw the diagram like this because the vertex is 0, 0. So vertex A is 0, 0 and symmetric about y-axis tells me this is y-axis either up or down, but mention downwards also. Once I know this pattern, what is the downward curve actually? X minus h the whole square equals -4a into y minus k. Here h, k is nothing but 0, 0. So what is the equation we get? X square equals -4ay. Now I have to find out what is a. Given it is passing through 2, -3. So we will say equation 1 passes through 2 comma minus 3. What do you mean by passing through? The equation must satisfy the point. Wherever x comes, put 2, and wherever y comes, put minus 3. 4 equals 4a into 3. 4 cancels. A equals 1 by 3. Once I get a, put it back in the equation. X square equals minus 4 by 3y, and this is the equation of the parabola. So this problem, they have mentioned almost all the clues. Symmetric about y-axis, either up or down, I know. Opens downward, so downward we have drawn. Vertex 0, 0, immediately in h, k, I can put 0, 0 and try to get the equation. Passing through implies substitute the point and get the required equation of the parabola. Question number 3. Vertex is 1, minus 2 and focus is 4, minus 2. First, let us try to plot the 2 points. 1, minus 2. So, this is the point. This is vertex. Focus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 2. So, this is the focus. We should know how to draw the parabola. The parabola will be through the vertex. Remember, so the parabola will be through the vertex and towards the focus. This is idea for you to remember how to draw the parabola. Through the vertex, towards the focus. So can I draw like this? No, it must be towards the focus and through. So the diagram will be somewhat like this. A rough diagram I have done. So this is opening to the right. How will you write the equation? It is y minus k the whole square equals 4a into x minus h. The next step, what is h, k? That is the vertex. They have given 1, minus 2. Substitute. Y minus of minus 2 is plus 2 the whole square equals 4a into x minus h value is 1. Call this as equation number 1. Now we are done if a value is identified. What is a? The distance between the vertex and focus we call a. Looking at the diagram, what is a? Can you guess? It is 1, 2, 3. So a value is 3 from the diagram. If you are not able to identify from the diagram, let us work it out. AS is equal to A. What is the distance formula? A is 1, minus 2 and S is 4, minus 2. Work out the distance formula. 4 minus 1 the whole square plus minus 2 plus 2 the whole square equals A. This is 0. So 4 minus 1, 3 square root is 3. So this gives me A equals to 3. Either get A value from the diagram or use the distance formula. The distance between vertex and focus is A. So we write distance between the vertex A and the focus S is equal to A, or I say AS equal to A implies A is equal to 3. Put it back in equation 1. We get y plus 2 the whole square equals 4 into 3, 12 into x minus 1, and this is the required equation of the parabola. Question number 1, subsection 4. The endpoints of latus rectum are 4, minus 8 and 4, 8. Opens right and the vertex is 0, 0. Opens right tells me it is y minus k the whole square equals 4a into x minus h. Vertex We know the formula h comma k. They have given 0 comma 0. So, the equation is y square equals 4ax. Now, we are done if I find out what is a. So, call this as equation number 1. To find out a, see what clue is given? The end points of the latus rectum. This is a parabola and this is the focus. The line or the card passing through the focus and perpendicular to the axis. This only we call latus rectum. So, the latus rectum, length of latus rectum is 4a. So, we know length of latus rectum equals 4a. What are the ends of the latus rectum? 4 comma minus 8 and 4 comma 8. So, this is 4 comma 8 and this is 4 comma minus 8. What is the distance we say? 8 plus 8. Minus 8 tells me it is below, but length is 8 plus 8. So, latus rectum length is equal to 8 plus 8, that is 16 from the diagram. If you are not able to identify from the diagram, use the distance formula. Root of 4 minus 4 the whole square plus 8 plus 8 the whole square equals 4a. This is 0, forget it. Square and square root will get cancelled. So, 4a equals to 16. Put it back in equation 1. So, equation 1 is y square equals 16x and this is the equation of the parabola required. So, here we have used the idea latus rectum is the card perpendicular to the axis and passing through the focus. Ends of latus rectum are given. We should know the length of latus rectum is 4a. From the diagram 8 plus 8, 16 is 4a, or use the distance formula and get what is 4a. Put it back in the equation and so we get y square equals to 16x. Exercise 5.2, question number 4. Find the vertex, focus, equation of directrix and length of the latus rectum for the following parabolas. Given y square equals to 16x. Compare it with y square equal to 4ax. Given x square equals to 24y. Compare with x square equals 4ay. Given y square equals minus 8x. Compare with y square equals minus 4ax. From these two, 4a equals 16 or a is 4. Similarly, 4a equals 24 or a is equal to 6. And here, 4a equals 8, a equals 2. So, I have found out what is a value in each of the given equations. The next step, I need to find out the vertex. What is the vertex formula? Let us quickly recall the 4 types of parabola. Y minus k the whole square equals 4a into x minus h. H and k are 0, 0. Whenever we are given these models, there is no x minus or y minus in any of these problems. So, in my formula, all this h, k you put 0, 0. So, what is vertex formula? Vertex equals to 0, 0. We put h, k 0. What is the focus? Focus equals to h and k are 0. So, a, 0. The next idea, directrix. How to write the directrix? X plus a equal to 0. And the next idea, the latus rectum length is 4a. So, these are asked in the question. So, we compare with this. Put h, k 0, 0. We get the equations and the formula. Now coming back to this question. Vertex 0, 0 found out. Focus A, 0. What is A? It is 4, 0. Directrix. It is x plus a equals 0. Here I get x plus a value is 4 equal to 0. Length of the latus rectum is 4a. 4a is nothing but 16 and that is the answer. The second question. Now this is x square equals 4ay. So we will see the third pattern. X square equals 4ay. We compare with this model. H comma k is again 0 comma 0. So vertex we will say 0 comma 0. The next idea I must say the focus. So wherever h comma k comes put 0 comma 0. So it is 0 comma a. Then the directrix. Equation of the directrix. The formula is y plus a equals to 0. And latus rectum, the length is 4a. And we will apply this in this particular problem. Now this is x square equal to 4ay. How we can easily remember this formula? Vertex. No minus symbol in any of this. H comma k will definitely be 0 comma 0. Focus. Right hand side y is coming plus symbol. So y will be a, x will be 0. Directrix. Right hand side I have y plus a equal to 0. And latus rectum in all the cases it is 4a. Now let us substitute. What is a value? 6. Here y plus a value 6 equal to 0. 4a is nothing but 24 and that is the answer. Third question, y square equals minus 8x. We compare with the second type of parabola. Now again the vertex is h comma k. Here the vertex is 0 comma 0. And we need focus. Focus is minus a comma 0. And equation of the directrix. The formula goes as x minus h minus a. H is 0. So x minus a equal to 0. And latus rectum length is 4a. Now how to remember it from this equation? Vertex. No y minus x minus. So vertex is 0 comma 0. Focus. X value will be minus a, y value 0. Directrix, x minus a equal to 0. Latus rectum, of course in all the cases we put 4a. So substitute now. Focus value minus a value is 2 comma 0. Directrix, x minus 2 equal to 0. And latus rectum 4a equals 8. And that is the answer. The very first problem, we'll see how we apply the formula. Vertex 0 comma 0, focus. X value is a, y value 0. Directrix, x plus a equal to 0. And latus rectum length is 4a, 4a is 16. So given these type of problems which may come under 2 or 3 marks, we have to remember how to write these answers. Fourth subsection, these types may come under 5 marks. Now this x alone is having square. The square term and the related terms keep in the left. So here I will keep x square minus 2x. The remaining take to the other side. Minus 8y minus 17. The next step. I want the LHS to be a square, perfect square. So whatever number is here, divide by 2. 2 is the number, 2 by 2 is 1. Add 1 square on both the sides. Adding 1 square on both the sides, this becomes a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is x minus 1 the whole square, equals to the other side minus 8y minus 17 plus 1, that is minus 8y minus 16. Take whatever number is with y out. So minus 8. Y minus 8, if I have taken, this will become plus 2. Minus 16 by minus 8 is plus 2. The left side we have x minus 1 the whole square. Now I have reduced this to a standard form of a parabola, which is x minus h the whole square minus 4a y minus k. Comparing. In the place of h, I have 1. In the place of k, I have minus 2. See, minus k is plus 2. So k will be minus 2. 4a equals 8, or I will say a is equal to 2. So now I know what is h, k and a. What I need to know? Vertex. What is vertex formula? It is h comma k, that is 1 comma minus 2. The next step, focus. How to write the focus? See the RHS, I have y term. So that only will be a. What symbol? Minus. And LHS will become 0 only. So focus tells me this coordinate, that is y. So y will become minus a and the other one is 0. Add h, add k. With x value add h, with k, y value add k. So this is 0 plus h value 1, k value minus 2, a value also 2. Simplifying this, 1 minus 4. My next step, find out the directrix equation. Equation of the directrix. How do we write again? See the RHS. Y minus k minus a equal to 0. In this problem, y minus k value minus 2 minus a value 2 equal to 0. Simplifying, y plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled. So my answer is 0. Latus rectum length is nothing but 4a and 4a equals 8. With that the answer is over. So we'll see the problem once again. Keep square term. If x is having square, x square and x keep in the left, the remaining to the right. Make this as a perfect square. So whatever number is with x, divide by 2, I get 1. Add 1 square on both the sides. Now this becomes a perfect square. This you try to simplify. Compare it with the standard form of a parabola. Identify h, k and a. Then substitute in the formula. Question number 4, subsection 5. Y square minus 4y minus 8x plus 12 equal to 0. We need to find the vertex, focus, directrix and latus rectum. Keep the square term in the left, which is having square y. So y square minus 4y in the left. Minus 8x will go plus 8x and plus 12 will go as minus 12. Now what number is with y? 4. Divide by 2. 4 by 2 is 2. Add 2 square on both the sides. The next step, this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So I will write y minus 2 the whole square. This is a and this is b, in between minus symbol. Equals to 8x minus 12 plus 4. This reduces to 8x minus 8. Take 8 out, it becomes x minus 1. The LHS is y minus 2 the whole square. Compare with y minus k the whole square equals 4a into x minus h. H is equal to 1. K equals to 2. And 4a equals to 8 or a equals to 2. Once I know h, k and a, let us try to write down. Vertex equal to h comma k. In this problem, it is 1 comma 2. Focus. What is focus formula? Look at the RHS. It is x minus h. So, how will you write it? H, k. With x, I will add a. And here nothing, so 0. So, what is the focus? H plus a, k plus 0. In this question, what is h? 1. A value 2. K is 2 plus 0. Simplifying, it is 3 comma 2. So, focus is 3 comma 2. The next step, we go on to the equation of directrix. How to remember? The RHS I have to write. X minus h, here plus symbol means plus a. X minus h plus a. X minus h plus a equals to 0. In this question, x minus h value 1, a value 2 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equals to 0. The next idea, latus rectum, and the length is 4a. So, latus rectum equal to 4a is 8 and that is the answer. We'll see the formula, how to remember. Compare with y minus k the whole square, 4a x minus h. Here plus symbol you put plus, minus symbol you put minus. Comparing h, k, a should be identified. Vertex is h comma k. Focus. Right hand side x is there. Add a with x value. And y will be 0. Always put h comma k. Here add a, here add 0. Directrix when I come, it is x minus h plus a equals to 0. And latus rectum, in all the cases we say the length is 4a and that is 8.